ATV winch mount for select 2007 to 2013 Honda Rancher ATVs. See fit chart for complete listing. Easy installation, comprehensive instructions included. For use with Warn RT25, RT30, XT25, XT30. For use with all ATV winches from 2,000 to 3,600 pounds with 4-hole, 3.00 by 4.875, or 2-hole, 3.10 by 4.875, standard mounting pattern. 3/16 steel construction with tough black powder coat. The right winch is important, and so is the mount you use with it. The proper winch mount maximizes winch performance and safety, and seamlessly integrates your winch with your ATV. This Extreme Max ATV winch mount fits select 2007 to 2013 Honda Rancher ATVs. See fit chart in second image for complete information. For use with Warn RT25, RT30, XT25, XT30 winches. Designed for use with roller fairleads with 4.875 mounting. Features 3/16 steel construction and tough black powder coat for lasting performance. Designed for easy installation, installation instructions included. Extreme Max also offers compatible hawse and roller fairleads, as well as a complete line of ATV cables, ropes, hooks, and other accessories. Top reviews from the United States. Worked great. I needed this mount to install a Badlands 2500 winch on my 2013 Honda Rancher. It worked great, but I did have to drill some holes to install the fair lead that came with my winch. The pre-drilled holes did not line up. I would still highly recommend this mounting bracket.